click on your Chrome browser and enter remita.net. So once the remita.net load, you are going to scroll down here till you are going to see bills and purchase. So you click on it and you click on pay billers. So when you click on pay billers, another page is going to load where you are going to input your information. So here we are going to enter the heading of what we are paying for, which is National Identity Management, NIN. Name of service we want to pay for. Here you can pay for many things, but we are just paying for the purpose of our number that is lost, so we want to change it. So if you want to change your date of birth, your name, anything, so the column is here. So since you see NIN slip reissue, if you lost your NIN and want to reissue it, you can also do it here. So you are just going to click on here, mode of any other field, which is 500 naira. As you can see, mode of any other field other than DOB is 500 naira. And then we are going to enter the payer's name, your full name as it is in your NIN. Then we are going to enter phone number too. Then we are going to enter the email address too. So after entering the email address, you are going to click on I'm not a robot. So when you click on I'm not a robot, you click on submit. After clicking on submit, another page will load where you are going to enter your payment option. Let's assume you don't have ATM card, or you have lost it, or it had expired. So you can click on here to change the payments option. So you can either transfer from bank to you transfer to their bank account, to their bank branch, use USSD, internet banking, remita, or phone number, any other option. So let me use the card option here. So then you are going to enter your ATM card number. The expiring month and year. So it's expiring on October, which is 10, 2026, and the CCV is 29. So to get your CCV, just lift your card to the back, and at the front you are going to see so our total amount that we are going to pay is now 663 naira 94 kobo. So we are just going to click on pay here. As you can see, OTP has been sent to your phone to complete the transaction. So once you receive the OTP, you are going to enter the OTP here. As you can see, authentication failed, incorrect OTP supplied. But don't worry, your own will be successful because you are doing it for the first time. I already done it, so I'm using incorrect OTP. Now, if you head over to your email address right here, so now as you can see, remita mode of modification of any other field, and here. So when you click it, as you can see, here is your receipt. If you make the payment successfully, this is your receipt. So, and at the end, if you make your payment, you'll be able to generate. So you just get the remita receiver reference, and then you head over to nearest police station. Then you fill a missing report for the phone number. So when you file the report, you told them that you want to do your NIN and change your phone number. So they are going to give you a form that you are going to fill for the report. So when you fill it, then you are going to head over to any NIN office located at your state, not just any random NIN office. So the state NIN office, those governments one. So you are going to go there. When you go there, they are going to give you a form to fill again. So you are going to enter your full details and everything, and your phone number too. So after entering the phone number and all, so they are going to change everything for you if it require you to return print and all that. So So they are going to do it for you, and you'll be able to link your phone number to your NIN profile back again. So that's it for this video. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can just comment anything where you don't get it at the end of this video, and I'm going to reply as soon as possible. So see you in the next video. Peace out.